Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a mango sponge cake. It's a very simple recipe. It's the most conventional method of baking cake without microwave oven. Very fluffy, tasty and wonderful cake. If you guys are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all my video as soon as I upload. Coming to the ingredients, we need baking soda, baking powder, milk, vegetable oil for eggs, sugar, all-purpose flour or maida, and mango crush for mango flavor. These are the ingredients we need. To begin with the dry ingredients, 500 gram of all-purpose flour or maida take in a colander and add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix them well in the colander such that all the powders get mixed evenly. Now in a mixer, powder the sugar, that's 350 grams of sugar, powder them, and in another mixer blender we're making the wet ingredients. So put the powdered sugar and add 4 eggs, (250 ml of vegetable oil) and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango crush for mango flavor, and then blend them well to form a thin batter, as you guys can see here, and move that into a bowl for mixing. Now slowly start adding the dry ingredients by portions to form a thin batter. We are adding the dry ingredients in portions and mixing them well such that no lumps should be formed. If there are lumps, the cake will not come good. So you should take good care and mix them in the bottom pan. Place a small lid so that our container stays high from the pan and preheat it for 10 minutes in medium flame with the lid closed. Meanwhile, let's add some more ingredients. Add milk to the batter and keep mixing them well. Now take the container in which we're baking cake, brush it with some oil, whole container as you guys can see, and keep a butter paper on the bottom so that the cake doesn't get stuck to the bottom. And in the batter add some cashews and raisins and give them a good mix. Pour them into the container in which we're baking cake. And top them with some raisins and cashews. And then shift this plate into the preheated saucepan. Keep it safely so that it doesn't slip off from the small plate, and keep them closed and cook on medium flame for 60 minutes. Keep a small weight on top so that air doesn't go in. After 60 minutes our cake is ready. As you guys can see, it's popped up, it's cooked well. Reverse it into a plate. The cake is not stuck to the plate, as you can see. Now slowly remove the butter paper which we had put in bottom of the plate. That's the main reason the cake is not stuck to the plate. You have to very carefully remove it. You shouldn't damage the cake. It actually comes off easily, still take some care and remove it. Finally, our mango sponge cake is ready to serve. It's a very simple recipe and everybody can try this at home. You can bake cake without microwave and still get fluffy, tasty and wonderful cake. Let's cut the cake and see how fluffy it is. You can make out, see how easily the knife is getting into the cake. Now the cake is, see, it's so fluffy and spongy. Everybody try this at home, and if you like my recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.